Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the Wi-Fi on Amazon Alexa using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, make sure your Alexa device is plugged in and turned on. Keep it close to your iPhone. Now unlock your iPhone and open the Amazon Alexa app. Make sure you are signed in with your Amazon account. At the bottom of the screen, tap on device or tap the plus icon at the top. Now tap Echo and Alexa at the top. Next, choose the Alexa device whose Wi-Fi you want to change. For example, your Echo Dot or Echo speaker. On the device page, tap Wi-Fi network, then tap change. Now the app will ask you to put Alexa into setup mode. Press and hold the active button on your Alexa device for a few seconds. When the light turns orange, Alexa is ready. Go back to the Alexa app. You will see a list of Wi-Fi networks. Select your new Wi-Fi network, enter the Wi-Fi password carefully, then tap connect. Wait for a second while Alexa connects to the new Wi-Fi. And that's it. You have successfully changed the Wi-Fi on Amazon Alexa using your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.